case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 2014, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the intense case of Plumhoff v. Rickard, a case centered on the boundaries of police force and civil rights. At the core of the proceedings was the question of whether police officers could use deadly force to stop a high-speed car chase that presented a danger to innocent bystanders. A further issue on the table was the controversial concept of qualified immunity, shielding officers in the case from personal liability if they did not violate clearly established law. The case emanated from a high-speed car chase that sadly culminated in the deaths of both the driver and the passenger. The officers involved claimed their actions were within the boundaries of the Fourth Amendment and that they were rightfully protected by qualified immunity. They moved for summary judgment but were denied, leading to an immediate appeal based on a claim of qualified immunity. The Supreme Court was then charged with the twofold task of determining the reasonableness of the officers' actions and whether any clear laws had been violated. To address these questions, the court employed the Pearson approach to evaluate the Fourth Amendment's reasonableness standard. They ruled that the high-stakes circumstances, Rickard's reckless driving and the clear public danger it presented, justified the police officer's use of deadly force. In a decision marked by its potential implications for policing and civil rights, the majority of the court held the officer's actions reasonable and not a violation of any established law. They pointed out that a reasonable officer would have interpreted Rickard's actions as a clear intent to continue evading law enforcement, thereby putting the public at risk. Thus, it was concluded that the officer's use of deadly force was not only acceptable, but required under the circumstances. The ruling then reversed the lower court's judgment and returned the case for further proceedings consistent with the Supreme Court's opinion, forging a new path for future cases involving high-speed chases and police force. The case underscored the thin line between public safety and civil rights, raising pertinent questions about the lengths police officers can legally go to ensure public safety and the protections they should receive while doing so.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.